Hello beautifuls, today we are here to do another spring look with the Mothership Sublime Golden Opulence palette from McGrath. So I already did my face. I've used the Kiko Lost in Amalfi foundation that I'm using in this period. Let's prime my eyes. I've used the translucent powder from Chanel. This is the old one actually. I know that it should have been a little bit changed in the last years. This is really quite old. And then I've a liquid lipstick from Kat Von D, the old Kat Von D, let me say. This is Bad House number 5, something similar. This bright fuchsia. I don't know if you will find this shade in the new name or not. My eyebrow are done with the Nabla pot in taupe. This is the palette. So I will do something pink. I don't know what, but I'm sure I will do something pink. I'll start with let's see the name, Tranquility. This is the brown there. Just applying a little bit into the crease. Maybe we can come a little bit closer since we're just doing eyes. I have, you know, my dogs are breeding dogs, so we had a mating yesterday with one of my mate dogs for so we hope to expect puppies in 2 months. We will know something more by the end of April, let's say after the mid of April. We will know if the bitch is pregnant or not. And I'm so happy because I think obviously they are my dogs, so they are the most beautiful dogs in the world, but being objective, the youngest one is so particular. It's a bloodline not so common in Italy. I'm so happy to have puppies from him. Okay, I'm not having puppies because I do not have any female dog, but they are also my puppies because they are sons and daughters of my dog. We already had puppies with him, but they were so far away from Genoa that we hadn't the chance to go and see them. I love to see puppies when they are around 45 days old because they are so cute, but they already looks like Czechoslovakian wolf dogs. So this time, if everything is going good and if we will be able to move from the city for the restriction of the COVID pandemic, I will for sure go and see the puppies. I will apply this color here called Lotus Looks. And I will apply this one on the outer edge of my eye. The older one also had puppies in 2017, and we went to see them when they were around 1 month old. They were not so near. We did around 500 and something kilometers, and they were so cute. My daughter goes crazy, and after that we and the breeder with which we had puppies became friends, close friends, so very close friends. And my daughter is always asking to go and see puppies from Uncle Annalisa. And we went when we go every time we have the chance to. Next one is Moon Phase, this pink lighter shade. She loves to go and see puppies, and she also has my daughter. She has a good eye because she always try to choose a puppy to bring home, and she always select the most beautiful puppy. They are all beautiful, of course, but you know that if you're breeding, you're looking to have the perfect dog, the dog most adhere to the standard. So she has a good eye to see. I don't know how, because she doesn't know the standard, of course. She's too young, but it's nice. Every time we are going to see puppies from France, she always select one puppy to bring home, and we never bring one home in the latest 3 years. As you can see, I have a little bit of fallout, quite a lot actually. I will just brush it away. Okay, next I will take Eternal Opulence, this lightest shade here, with a smaller brush, a flat smaller brush like this one. This is a tiny brush from Morphe. I've never used this. This is the first time I use it because it was in the closet and not in the brush holder. I don't know why, but we did order with my daughter last weekend, I guess. I don't know. I do not remember when, but we did a check of the brushes. I not borrow. I gave some brushes to her to play with because they are not so good for me anymore, but they are good enough to play with for her. Not only with makeup, she used makeup brushes also to paint, and but that's fine. And when the brushes become of hers, I think I'm trying to do a so difficult construct. I'll try to rephrase. She can do whatever she wants with her brushes. The only things she know that she could not use a brush she used to paint with acrylic paint on her face. That's it. Much more easier than this way. Okay, I think we are done. The look is always, as you know, it's quite an easy look. It's quite, maybe let's try it this way. I will just bring back the blending brush I used. I do not remember which one actually. A new one with a little bit more of this blending shade, and just blend the edges, because this look does not have any sense, any particular structure. So just giving them a sort of I will apply some false lashes. So now I will first apply some mascara, these two of course, just to have my, because I will remove the false lashes after the video. I think I'm not going out to school picking up my daughter with false lashes on. Okay, sometimes I do, but I don't know, maybe I will take them on. I will keep them on. We are watching a series on Netflix. The series is called The One. It's a nice story, it's particular, and we are watching it in English language because they are the series is a British one, and the actors are all from Britain. I guess they have so a nice accent. I love to hear the British accent. You know, we saw, I think if you have seen my dogs on Instagram, one of them is called the Mazekin. That's the name came from Lucifer, and we saw Lucifer in the original language. Tom Ellis has so a nice voice, a pleasant voice for me, and a nice accent. I love to hear his voice. And for example, the detective, actually I do not remember the name, the real detective, the male detective, it is, I guess he is an American one. He has so a different accent that okay, I could understand quite everything he says, but I do not like the accent. Okay, I have chosen these Mulak lashes. They are called Saucy. And I will try to apply them with the adhesive eyeliner from Enor. I have tried this eyeliner only with Enor lashes. So let's see how it works with lashes from another brand. I heard so strange rumors, not rumors, yes, rumors around the eyes, around the house, but I don't know why, because I have a dog in the kennel. The kennel is like a sort of cage, but it's not a cage for the dog, it's like his house. They are used to rest there, and the other dog is on my bed, so I don't know. Let's see if I'm putting it correctly. Maybe, I'm not sure. This one should be the left round, this one should be the right side one, or the left side. Let's see, maybe it's the other one. This is why I do not wear eyelashes so much, because I'm not so fancy in applying them. I guess this one should be the right one. Let's see. These lashes are huge. Look how huge they are. Okay, let's try on the other eyes. If this works, I will buy 10,000 of eyeliner from Enor, just the eyeliner, to use with every eyelashes I will buy in the future. The good thing is that you don't have to wait for the glue to become sticky. Okay, we will modify the eyeliner after the eyelashes is on, and yeah, we are done. So strange. Okay, I will just apply a little bit of eyeliner to check if everything is fine. like doing a little bit of wing here, and I do not see where I'm drawing, and here, and let's apply a little bit here. Okay, I will also, I don't know if it should be better to wear the white liner or the black liner inside my waterline. Let's check. This is not a mirror, I'm still picking up this one. Let's see with a little bit mirror. Or maybe a white one will be better. Let's try. Okay, that's the final look. These lashes are so big. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up or a comment. I will love to see you subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.